Let's just talk for a second. Not about theory, not about the stuff in the textbooks, but about that feeling. You know, behind the chair, middle of a busy shift.
Yeah, that feeling. A client sits down, she pulls out her phone, shows you the picture, and in that 1 second, your stomach just drops.
But what do? You smile. Of course you do. You're a pro. You say, "Oh, that's beautiful," while every alarm bell in your head is going off. And then you say yes. Because it's what we do, isn't it? We're problem solvers, we're magicians, and yeah, okay, we're people pleasers. So even with that doubt nagging at you, you hear yourself say, "Yeah, absolutely, we can do that."
And there it is, that tiny, quiet whisper in the back of your mind, the one that just says, God, I hope this works.
So you get started, the bleach is on, you're trying so hard to look casual, but you're checking those foils every 5 minutes. Then your coworker walks by, gives the bowl a little glance, and says nothing. And that silence, oh man, it is the loudest, worst part. And then you see it. The hair starts pulling yellow. And then more yellow. You know, that yellow.
And your brain just kicks into hyperdrive. The color isn't even done processing, and you're already mixing 3 different toner formulas in your head, planning out your next 2 moves, just trying to fix it before the client even knows anything is wrong.
And that's when you feel it. That knot twisting in your stomach. That feeling of being completely alone on an island. It's that moment you'd pay anything to have an experienced colorist just standing next to you. Not to judge, just to help.
That feeling, right there. That's why I built this. Not because I'm some genius who's better than you. It's because I've been exactly where you are. I have stood in your shoes with that same awful knot in my stomach.
And all I ever wanted was just someone I could ask.
So what is it? The best way to think about it is, it's like having your own senior colorist on your shoulder, that extra set of eyes, that little bit of backlight. It's basically the best colleague you could ask for, right on your phone. It's the one you can ask anything, and it never thinks it's a stupid question. It never makes you feel small for double-checking something. It's just there, before you mix, every single time.
Because let's be real for a second. Our clients, they don't pay us to guess. They don't pay us to hope it turns out okay. They pay for precision. They pay for predictability.
And I want to be super clear about this. This is not about replacing your talent, your eye, your creativity. You're the artist. This is just about backing up your incredible skills with real data so you can create with total confidence. So yeah, this whole playlist, this whole thing, it's for you. It's for every single stylist who's ever stood in that salon with their heart pounding, just praying to the color gods that everything works out. Well, they don't have to be. You don't have to hope anymore. So try it out. See what it feels like. It's totally free to get started at AIQHair.com. Because you know what? Your next big correction, your next Christina, she's coming. She's booking her appointment right now. Be ready for her.